Hello everybody, my name's Eric, and welcome back to My Hero Academia. The newest episode is finally out. I heard it was hype as hell. Anti-copyright shield deployed. Let's get into it. And it's hot as hell. It's like 1 billion degrees. And it's nighttime, so I gotta be quiet. And I'm sweating my ass off. Okay, this seems to be recapping. Yeah, recap. So he's apparently about to jump Shigaraki in the coffin of death, or whatever it's called. A school bus. I see. Got some US aircraft to help him. Nice. Yo, we gotta see 2 episodes of her. And she's just gone, bro. She came to Japan to die. The fuck? Oh shit, is he Spider-Manning? Between the... Yeah, he is. I don't want to watch this again. No, that was a troll. Sure, you did it. You couldn't have thought a different way to buy 2 seconds of time. Boom. Oh, he can remember him? All for ones. Okay. Ooh. Yeah, your entire fucking team is dead because you weren't here. Sucks to suck, bro. Man, he's talking shit. Damn. Oh, he's pissed. He angry. Sorrowful. Oh shit. Oh shit, he's looking like a demon. What the fuck? One-dimensional attacks. Destroy a spine with a counterattack. Jesus Christ, bro. Makes the ideals into reality. Facts. Controlling your heart. Not randomly flinging out all of his abilities. Good. Nice. Oh shit. He's pulling about the generations. Generational fucking powers across the ages, damn. Watch me. Nah, it looks to me. Oh yeah, that was an interesting scene. He said, "You have no friends." Man's like, "Bitch, I have friends." Well, they're fucking dead. We're doing damage, slowly but surely. Oh, he's hit the nail on the head, huh? What the fuck? His face is on the fist, on the finger. Damn. We got a unique OST playing. Some unique music. Oh. Whole platform's gonna break, bro. What is that? Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh. The blue guy's quirk. 5 minutes. Ending it here. This 5 minutes right here. The final quirk. What? He teleported. Luffy? What, Monkey D. Luffy, 3rd gear? Oh shit, he punched him like 5 times in a millisecond. Man broke the sound barrier. Where did he go? Gear shift. $120%. Oh. The impact frames are insane. Sup, bro? 5 billion times in a row, I guess. Back in time, flashback. Slowly should change the speed of what you touch. Small objects. Oh shit. So it's like mild telekinesis. Yeah, too bad. It's got buffed over 7 generations. Why can I see you people? Oh, you can see him, huh? Jesus. He's glowing. Oh. Gear shift. Yeah. Sort of cell by cell. So his own body. What exactly is it doing? Change the world works? Is he he's defying physics. Oh shit, what is this? Quintuple. He's fast. Man's got so many quirks. Holy shit. Oh, you're punching air, buddy. Oh, low gear. What? He's just defying inertia. Jesus. Man's using mild telekinesis on his own body. Too many fucking quirks. Holy shit. Overdrive. Yo, he looks menacing. Oh. Oh shit. Oh shit, 7 generation punch. Oh fuck. Oh no. Holy shit. Man's about to make you see God, bro. Fucking rainbow punch. Holy shit. Get the fuck away from the area, bro. How are these guys seeing? Oh shit. Fucking galaxy impact from Midoriya. Sent him into the nether realm. Doesn't even know his name. God damn it. Blast him out of existence.
殺して止める以外方法がないかもしれない。
自分の意志を忘れるな。まだ倒れるなよ。
できるのか。僕はまだ一つも個性を使えていない。
I haven't even used one of them yet.
体の進化を
I couldn't do anything. I'm getting gangbanged on. Holy shit.
あいつらのせいだ。分断の
It's a fucking execution.
ここに至るまでの
He's healing?
まだ何か。
ああ、弟よ。余一よ。
What the fuck?
ここに至るまでの
What's happening here? What is Dabby doing? He's like nuking the area.
するというならば、
He's still got some cards up his sleeve, huh?
僕にも正気は。
Jesus, fuck. What a fucking episode. Holy shit. Oh my god, I can't wait for the next one. See you guys next week. Subscribe. Yeah, you get it. Bye-bye.